solve x cube minus 28x minus 48 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, x cube in place of minus 28x, now I write minus 4x minus 24x minus 48 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is x. So from this x out you get x square, minus from this x out you get 4. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 24. So here you get x and here we get plus 2 equal to 0. Next, now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is x square minus 4 equal to x square minus, now 4 I write as 2 square. On this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have x, in place of b 2. So we get x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times x minus 2 x plus 2. This no change equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is x plus 2. So x plus 2 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times x minus 2, and over here we are left with minus 24 equal to 0. Now x plus 2. Now you open up the brackets, you get x square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will factorize it here, that is x square minus 2x minus 24. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 2x. So in place of minus 2x, now I write minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is x. From this x out you get x, minus from this x out you get 6. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside we get plus 4. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x minus 6 common. So here we have x and here plus 4. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x plus 2, in place of this one, x minus 6 x plus 4 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is x plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get x equal to minus 2. Now here I should remove minus 6, so add 6. We get x equal to 6. Now here I should remove plus 4, so subtract 4. We get x equal to minus 4. So the x values that we got are minus 2, 6 and minus 4. This is our answer.